What's up, Aggies? It's Chancellor May and Lachelle, and we are on the 5th floor balcony right outside my office in Mrak Hall, and it's time for Thursday Thoughts. Yes, flu shots will be provided through Student Health and Counseling Services as they have been in the past, so please make sure you get your flu shot. Well, I think you make friends by being a friend, for one, so I would think about joining one of our, 800 student organizations on campus, the one that fits your interests. You might find some people of like mind that you can start a conversation with, and it might grow into a friendship. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's the same advice I was going to give. Yeah. So many groups to join, right?
Yeah, we have hundreds. I mean, the main thing is not to be shy, to get out of your comfort zone and go out and be assertive and maybe take some risks and just try to put yourself out there and meet some people.
I met some people in dining, at dinner, breakfast, lunch.
Oh, go to dining commons.
Sit with somebody random.
You would just sit with anybody?
Just sit with anybody random. You never know.
Is that how we got started? I was just a random person. She agreed to have dinner with.
Yes, right.
So I know she's about to give me a hard time, but my musical taste goes to about 2010.
That would be 1984. Maybe a few artists since then.
I like old school R&B and jazz mostly, but soft rock, light rock, I guess they call it, as well. But at least to 2000. By the way, check out my Spotify playlist. And I think I have another one dropping by midterms, so look for those. I think you have a playlist as well.
Right, but my playlist is a little bit more current. If you want to listen to music within the last 20 years, that would be, we're in year 2021, right?
That's right.
So,
but if you have an old soul, you want to listen to mine. If you want to work out, you want to listen to Michelle's.
Yeah, typically I get my music from spin classes where it's just modern. Although I had a playlist and Simone was in the car, she's like, "Oh, this is a little bit of a throwback." It was throwback, but not as back as your music.
You realize all the music you're listening to sampled my music.
Not all of it. I do agree that some of it's sampled.
Yeah. So.
And actually, Simone says sometimes, "How do you know that song?" I was like, that's a rendition of something.
It's a cover of something that I listen to.
Right. Exactly.
So, I won. Wow. Since I came in 2017, I've been trying to find ways to connect to the student body and the campus community as a whole. Social media has been a big part of that. I can't remember when we actually started Thursday Thoughts, but I know that a big transition point was when the pandemic started, right? And we wanted to give people some comfort, answer some real questions people had about how we were operating and what was going to happen going forward. There was a lot of uncertainty. Then it kind of became a thing because we get questions and we get feedback on Instagram that was positive. Everybody really likes Lachelle more than me. Everything, how she dresses, In fact, I have said that 4 years ago, almost 5 years ago now, UC Davis recruited Lachelle May to come. And then I just came along for the ride as the Chancellor.
That's not true. But anyway, when Thursday Thoughts started, you were doing it alone.
Yeah.
And then how many likes did you have back then?
So we did a couple episodes.
It was like 10. And then when
we did a couple of episodes like Valentine's Day and where you were there and they got to ask you some questions. And those were popular.
Right.
And now we just decided to keep doing it together. Right. We've won a couple of awards, I think. Yeah. Media awards for Thursday Thoughts. Strategic Communications at UC Davis won those awards. Kudos to the staff there. And I think it's become a thing. People like it. People look for it. We get thousands of views every week. People who know us in the community, they say, "I watch Thursday Thoughts." So it's a lot of fun.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
So that was the ever popular Thursday Thoughts for this week, Aggies. So stay healthy and stay safe and go Ags.